keep on looking for a job and she can start working as a freelancer. I don't know why she's not working. Like, she should be working as a freelancer, create a profile on Upwork, and start doing some providing some services straight away, and she would be able to earn equivalent to what she would learn in a earn in a job. For like 3.25 LPA, I would say that she would be able to get a better job working from home, or she would be able to get earn better money just by doing freelancing. Now, in terms of search for a job or join, I would say that at least uh, reach out to organizations and see what's there in the market. She could join if she still has the opportunity to search for jobs as well. Like, like completely up to her. But what I would say is, even if she joins the job, she should not give up on looking for the jobs, because there are a lot of jobs out there, especially for UI developer, and she should be able to get a nice job easily. And because she was already on a nice CTC, I think 3.25 is a bit of less CTC for her experience. Haidam Abdur Rahman from LinkedIn: what is your approach on learning any new skills, technical or non-technical? I just mainly I start doing it. I don't learn a skill if I don't need it. So I would never do a course that I don't need it. So whatever I do is, if I have to learn anything, I'll pick up a project that I want to do in it, and then I'll just start doing that project. On the side, I'll start learning. So I don't do a lot of courses. I generally do a lot of googling. So I would just start working on something, and I'll just start googling it, and just watch the videos that come up, watch the articles that come up. And because I don't enjoy just going through a course, it becomes a bit boring for me. I don't enjoy sort of like sitting in a classroom as well, or reading a book as well. What I enjoy is, I enjoy working, and when I'm working, when I'm stuck, I just google it or try and find the solution, and that's how I like to learn. And I think that's the best way to learn as well.